Last week, I decided to do a simple experiment. Instead of working the usual way, I started using AI tools for as many tasks as possible. I use them for writing, research, design, note-taking, and content creation. By the end of the week, I was surprised by the results. When I added everything up, these tools had saved me more than 15 hours. That's almost 2 full working days. Imagine what you could do with an extra 15 hours every week. You could learn a new skill, create more content, find more clients, or simply enjoy more free time. The interesting part is that most of these tools are completely free to start. Some are well known, while others are still flying under the radar. In this video, I'll show you the 5 free AI tools that made the biggest difference for me. And the tool at number 1 was responsible for saving more time than I expected. Now, let's start from the 5th one, is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generation platform that converts text into natural-sounding speech. Instead of recording your own voice, you simply paste your script, choose a voice, and let the AI do the rest. The process is incredibly simple. First, you write your script. Next, you paste the text into ElevenLabs. After that, you choose a voice from the available library and click Generate. Within seconds, your text is converted into a professional voiceover. You can then download the audio and use it in videos, presentations, podcasts, or other projects. Even beginners can start creating voiceovers without any technical skills. This is one of the reasons why YouTubers, educators, marketers, and businesses are increasingly using AI-generated voices in their content. One of the best things about ElevenLabs is that it offers a free plan. This allows users to test the platform before spending money. While the free version has some limitations, it's more than enough for beginners who want to experiment with AI voice generation and see whether it fits their workflow. For many creators, the free plan is the perfect starting point. Otherwise, you can choose the paid plan to get a massive advantage from this tool. The 4th one is Canva AI. A few years ago, creating professional graphics required expensive software and years of design experience. If you wanted a good YouTube thumbnail, social media post, or presentation, you either had to learn design yourself or hire someone to do it for you. Today, things are very different. AI is changing the way people create content. And one tool that's leading this change is Canva AI. In fact, after using Canva AI regularly, I realized it was saving me hours every week on design-related tasks. But is Canva AI really worth using? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I'll show you what Canva AI is, how it works, and why millions of creators, freelancers, and business owners use it every day. Canva AI is a collection of artificial intelligence features. This is one of the world's most popular design platforms. Instead of starting with a blank page, you can now use AI to generate designs, images, presentations, social media posts, and even videos. The goal is simple. Canva AI helps you create professional content faster, even if you have no design experience. Whether you're a student, freelancer, YouTuber, or small business owner, Canva AI makes content creation much easier. Using Canva AI is surprisingly simple. You start by describing what you want to create. For example, you might type something like, "Create a modern YouTube thumbnail about AI tools." Within seconds, Canva AI generates design suggestions based on your request. You can then customize colors, fonts, images, and layouts until everything looks exactly the way you want. Instead of spending hours building designs from scratch, you're starting with AI-generated ideas that save a lot of time. One of the biggest challenges for content creators is consistency. You need thumbnails, social media graphics, presentations, banners, and marketing materials on a regular basis. One feature I really like is Magic Design. You simply provide an idea, and Canva generates multiple design concepts automatically. This is especially useful when you're short on time. Here you will get thousands of free templates about Instagram and Instagram posts and stories, any graphics designing, presentations, and many more. What impressed me most is how beginner-friendly everything feels. You don't need advanced skills to get good results.
Another tool is Claude AI. Claude AI is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It can answer questions, generate content, summarize information, analyze documents, and help with a wide range of tasks. Using Claude AI is simple. You type a question, upload information, or provide instructions, and Claude generates a response based on your request. One of the biggest challenges in content creation is research. Finding reliable information, organizing notes, and turning ideas into content can take hours. This allowed me to spend less time researching and more time creating. For anyone who works with information every day, that's a huge advantage. Claude has gained popularity as its free plan. New users can test many of its core features without paying anything. As your needs grow, there are paid plans that offer additional usage and advanced features. Many people ask whether Claude AI is better than ChatGPT. The truth is that both tools are excellent, but they have different strengths. ChatGPT is incredibly versatile and works well for a wide variety of tasks. Claude, on the other hand, often shines when dealing with longer documents, detailed analysis, and structured writing. Instead of choosing one over the other, many professionals actually use both tools together depending on the task. Here is the next is Site123. Site123 is an AI-powered website builder designed for beginners, freelancers, small businesses, bloggers, and anyone who wants a website without technical skills. Click on Start here. This window will open. Here you options of website, blog, online store, and landing page. Click on the website option. Now select a category for your website and name. Click here. Description will be generated automatically. Now click here. Now you have to log in your account, enter your email, and type a password. Go forward, your account creation will start. Finally, our website is created. It's look very cool. Here, you can edit it and make changes what you want. After editing, you can publish this website. After publishing, you can choose custom domain or not. Here is our website link. Copy and paste it into your browser. Wow, this website is looking very good. If you want to make a website like this, I have give all the website's links in description. Now let's talk about number one AI tool that has saved me a surprising amount of time every week, and that is Writesonic. If you're a freelancer who's tired of staring at a blank screen trying to write emails, proposals, blog posts, or social media captions, the tool is going to change your life. It's an AI writing assistant designed to help create content faster. Here, you can audit your site. Another feature worth mentioning is its ability to generate SEO-focused content. If you're creating articles for websites or affiliate blogs, this can help you produce content more efficiently while maintaining a consistent workflow. For content creators and bloggers, this can be a huge advantage. Here you can create SEO-optimized articles for your website. Here you can see all of the SEO tools of Writesonic. Here you can create your content AI agent. Check this small tutorial video. Check all the functions of this platform. Here are the plans. You can start from a free trial. I've linked all these in the description below. Some of them are free, and some have free trials, so you can test it out before spending a single dollar. Check it out, the link is in the description of this video. Here is workflow of all these platforms. Claude AI for research and analysis. Writesonic for content writing. ElevenLabs for voiceovers. Canva AI for graphics and designs. Site123 AI for website creation. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe our channel to get more educational videos.